guys, welcome to our first weekly vlog. Right now it's around 2:30, so we're getting started a little bit later than I would have liked, but that's okay. It's been really busy so far. But right now we're on our way up to the mountains, or I guess we're already in the mountains. We're on the way to go on a hike and then hopefully spend the rest of the day up here, maybe go to the lake or something. Hopefully getting dinner at one of my favorite childhood restaurants. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys now, and we'll keep you posted about the rest of the day. Bye! Hey guys, so we just got up here. We're at the base of the hike. It starts right over there. We just figured we'd check in with you now. Ian's got his hat. And yeah, we'll see you at the top. So we're back down from the hike. I'm really sorry. It was pouring rain right when we got to the top, so I didn't really want to put the camera or the phone in that. We did shoot a couple of clips for you guys, and yeah, we really enjoyed the hike. What do you think?
It was really nice.
Yeah, no, it was gorgeous, and there was nobody up there, obviously, because the weather's
it was cold rain.
Less than ideal. There was one path where you could take like all the way up, and it was like just like engulfed in the mountains. It was so pretty. Was really and then nice. The second trail was like straight down.
Just, calm.
But it was a great hike.
It was great.
Yeah, so we just wanted to fill you in. We're going to go to Hernando's, courtesy of Ian. So I'm super excited because, like I said earlier, it's one of my favorite childhood restaurants. So we'll see you guys when we get there. Hey guys, so we're back and we're at Hernando's Pizza Pub. Honestly, I used to come here so many times throughout my childhood because we used to spend a week up in Winter Park every year. So coming back here is awesome. So excited about this pizza.
I'm just really hungry. I hope it's good.
Oh my gosh, me too. After that hike, my stomach is empty. So I'm super excited. See you guys later. Hey guys, so we're headed home from dinner. Dinner was fantastic, the hike was fantastic, and we're actually just headed back home completely now. So yeah, for the rest of the night we're pretty much just going to be relaxing, so this will probably be it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye, we'll see you next time.